Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, IT products and training courses. Basically anything that will help you make money online. And today I have another amazing product today to give you, which is called LifeThemes. LifeThemes is going live on the 28th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And this product is being launched by the super affiliates Mbadiwe and Attain Bavra. And this, in a nutshell, is a software that is going to help you create ultra modern and ultra fast WordPress business themes. Themes are the layouts of any website that you see anywhere. Those layouts that you see is called the themes, and this very software is going to help you create over 156,000 plus stunning ultra fast business WordPress themes. And of course, this you can sell on Fiverr or to your clients, and of course make money at your own terms. If this is a product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. Definitely, if you click on that link, it will bring you to my amazing bonus page, which is exactly where we are. And if you get here, you can get a copy for yourself. When you click this copy, it's going to take you to the sales page of this product, where you use the buttons there to actually get a copy for yourself. And of course, if you stick with me, I will show you through this very sales page and also the demo of the very software in action. Now, let us go properly into reviewing this one. I am so excited to do this. The creator, Mbadiwe, said it helps you create and sell 156 plus stunning professional and ultra fast loading business WordPress themes. And of course, with your name and brand, using most reliable GMPS technology without any coding skills. And of course, this will help you create your own limitless business friendly themes and even sell them to business owners with next generation theme created launched till date. This is exactly what the creators are saying, and of course they have done well in the past. Now let us go into the very capabilities you have with this one. It helps you create front editor to create WordPress themes with drag and drop, save and download themes and sell them anywhere, include extension toolkit to design perfect themes, millions of icons, designs, text fonts, and of course styles, and choose from different navigation bars, headers, footers, posts, and of course images, incredible color palettes, fonts and styles, vast plugin supports, work with almost all the plugins, easily customized any elements using WordPress editor, and it helps you download theme, delete theme, create pages for specific theme, and create posts for specific themes, and design page and post with drag and drop page builder. I mean, it is amazing what you have on the front end of this product is actually loaded. I wonder what else is going to be there on the unlimited version, but of course there are always things. These are the pricing that goes for this one. Now let us see. The front end price goes for naturally $19, but you have the downsell of $14, which means you have a discount pop-up that will come from the sales page, which you will apply to actually get it for $14. And of course it has those capabilities that I have laid out for you. Now the OTO number one will be unlimited version, which goes for downsell for $37 with the possibility of going up to $47 if one wastes time. And with this, you can create only with front end, which is always somehow limited. You can create only 20 themes per day, but with this very unlimited version, you can create anything you want unlimited. Okay, now it's always advisable to get also the unlimited version, which is the OTO one in this case. And OTO number two will be Live Auto Migrate and Speed Booster. It goes for $37 as well. And then OTO number three Premium goes for $37 as well. It will unlock 55 more layouts with themes and image bundle and logo templates included. Now OTO number four will be done for you themes, which goes for $37 as well. And you get 300 done for you themes that you can instantly use on any WordPress website without creating them. Now you have OTO number 5, which is the agency, goes for $97 down sell, and you get your own LifeThemes agency account, which you with which you can create unlimited client accounts for teams. And OTO number 6, the reseller goes for 97 as well, and you have the resell rights for LifeThemes and keep 100% profit from it. Okay, and these are all the amazing information and benefits you have here, which you can read at your convenience, and it has amazing 30-day money back guarantee. And now let us take a look at the mind-boggling bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be 17 bonuses in one. These are made up of software and of course Chrome extensions, and indeed training courses that will teach you from scratch how to make money online. I mean, I have used these things myself. You can see how to use CPA offers to make money, a whole lot of bonuses, and of course softwares made up of this 17 in one product vault. Okay, so imagine what you got there. Now my bonus number 2 will definitely be how to create free professional websites for sell on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces of your choice. And this is a stunning training tutorial that is going to help you actually know how to do so. And then imagine how it complements with these themes for WordPress, for LifeThemes software we are talking about. Now my bonus number 3 will be how to get targeted traffic to any link of your choice. One thing is to create a website for your business. Another thing is to get traffic to that website. And how do you get traffic to the website? Only through your link that bears the URL link of that very website. And this very tutorial is going to teach you how to get targeted traffic to your website's links through your links and all that. Now my bonus number 4 should be amazing mind-boggling bonus. Now this is called the Commission Toolbox, and it has over 1,000 tools that you are going to use on digital marketing of any kind. Anything you want to do online, basically you will find a tool that will help you do that easily with this very Commission Toolbox, which contains over 1,000 tools that you can use. Links, Chrome extensions, everything you can think of is loaded here. With this, you don't have to buy any more shiny objects for whatever reason. So it's amazing. It's amazing what I got there for you. Now my bonus number 5 will be how to convert your traffic fast. If you get traffic to your website using these themes from LifeThemes, and then using the targeted link connection hack that I have for you in one of the bonuses above, one other thing is to know how to convert the traffic that comes to these websites. This very tutorial is going to teach you how to do that from scratch, and I am very proud to give it to you free of charge. Now if you click this, like I told you, it will take you to the sales page. You click the button on the sales page, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks exactly like this with 2 buttons. This green one gives you access to LifeThemes software, and of course here this blue one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, and of course that will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus account with this very button. Now let us see if we can take a look at the second page of bonuses that I have for you, just to tell you that I have everything ironed out for you. This very page will be sent to you by email when eventually you get a copy for yourself using my link. The first one is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits, and it's called Latitude. This link will give you access to it. When you buy from my link, you write me on my email address. I will definitely send the link to this very second page because it's not linked with the Warrior Plus account of mine. Now these are crazy training courses and softwares that you will be able to make money from. Now my bonus number 2 on this very second page of bonuses from me is called Twittex, and this is to show you how to crack the Twitter traffic with a Chrome extension bot that is going to drive traffic from Twitter to any link of your choice or any service of your choice or offer, as the case may be. Now, and that will be the number 2 for this one. So number 3 bonus for you will be the Insurgency, how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, and it's called Insurgency, a crazy software that was created by John Armstrong, I think, and Brendan Merce. So this is going to help you kill the Facebook advertising and make money from there. My bonus number 4 on this level will be lazy traffic sniper, and it goes to show you how to get free buyer traffic on autopilot. Lazily, of course. My bonus number 5 on this page will be how to make 4-figure daily commissions with JavaScript Commission Board, which is a software that is going to help you make 4-figure on autopilot. Of course, we are talking about commissions here. Now, my bonus number 6 on this one will be the lockdown formula, which is going to be the last one. As you can see, you have over 1,011 products here with me as bonuses. Now you see what you've got here. Lockdown formula was a formula that was created, a training and course that was created by John Armstrong and Dawood Islam during the lockdown of coronavirus 2020-2021, and this very one helped a lot of people you see today that are millionaires on the digital marketing platforms will testify to the fact that this very lockdown formula was instrumental in their learning how to make money online. So it could be yours today if you eventually buy this product using my link. Now, with that said, let us go back to the amazing information that we've got here and see through the sales page before I now show you the very product software in action. Now, let us scroll through the very sales page. At your convenience, you'll be able to go through it yourself. It is self-explanatory. You see the themes and samples, and of course all the income proofs and the testimonials, and then see if that is going to help you actually make money online. Is something that you should be able to go through on your own and be able to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. I think the vendor should have some degree of vendor bonuses somewhere. Let's see if we can locate that, and then we call it off for this very review for the sales page. And of course, like I said before, if making money online is your desire and you want to do it, building themes that you can sell on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces, this may be the product you are looking at here. And of course, definitely it will do that job as long as it's coming from Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bavra. So, of course, these are the two men that are responsible for this, and you will be able to get more information on that. Now, let's see what the structure of the members area, the software itself looks like. This is the home, and here is the about us, portfolio, and contact us. Here you see the button that gives you access to the team management, team library, support, and the very important tutorial on how to make this work. Without wasting much time, let us see exactly what this very one says and how it works when it is in action by showing you the demonstration video for this one. After that, we call it a day on this one. Okay. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is my bonus page that we went through. Let us run back through it and see the bonuses that I have for you, including the ones on the second page which you will have access to. They are loaded, and of course with this we will gradually come to the very end of this very review at your convenience. When you eventually pick up that link on my description, or the first link, it will bring you to this bonus page, and you look at these bonuses, and of course I will send the second page to you by email. And if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, leave me a subscription, of course, and use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye, guys.